pretty. So pretty. Hi guys! Good morning, good morning, good morning again. Another day, another vlog again. So for today's video, gagawa tayo po ng Sintra board stand. Mali.
Sorry, mother.
Nako po, madami po akong audience.
Bata.
Ay, nako po. For today's video, gagawa po tayo ng kumon. Sintra board product stand. Standy, ano ba yan? Basta yun na yun. So, may nagpagawa po sa akin na 4 na product stand. Menu nila sa
Si Ate Krisha yung pink.
ilalagay nila sa
Mama.
ay ambot, dagag mama. Sige, kayo na lang ang mag-vlog, be.
There
Sige na, ikaw ang mag-vlog, te.
Today's video, we're doing Sintra board. And then my mama is working. Then, doon lang kami sa corner kasi cellphone. And then, today's video, we're gonna make Sintra board. And then, my mom's gonna make it. And sige ako cellphone dyan sa corner. Tapos si Ate Krisha.
You explain what is the process, how mama make the Sintra board.
First, the paper, my mom prints it, then the board, just buy it. And then it slides there, so it can be a Sintra board.
And then
We all make together. Andito kami sa bahay. Yan yung shop. Nag-voice over lang kami. Kasi wala nag-sound si mama ko. Diyan sa video. I want to. Guys, may secret ako, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog today.
Mama.
We're gonna make